up and down like a pogo. Hands up like a pogo. Your love is divine.
This day that God has given me, I'm not gonna waste this joy deep down inside me. I'm not gonna shake. Been stressed for so long, so stuck in my own way. So I'ma enjoy this moment. It's the day that the Lord has made. Nothing to see, nothing to talk about.
I'll be a living sacrifice for you. You're the fire, the refiner. I wanna be consumed. I wanna be tried by fire, purified. You take whatever you desire. Yeah. Lord, here's my life. I wanna be tried by fire, yeah, yeah. Purified. Lord, take whatever you desire. Yeah. Lord, here's my life. If your glory was to come in, let it fall.
Hey beautiful family, and Han is back with yet another video. To my returning service, thank you so much guys for returning. I really appreciate you guys rock. And to my new subscribers, welcome. My name is Tanega Kaule or Mrs. K and Han. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Please do like, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So guys, today I am out with my friend. She's a News Cafe. I am in Witbank guys. So she's a News Cafe to have, it was supposed to be a lunch, so it's no longer lunch now, it's a dinner. We are having dinner. We're gonna just have dinner. Okay, OOTD, I will attach a picture right here. Makeup by me, hair by me. Yeah.
Been a sinner, but I'm a saint. 'Cause I'm a winner when I'm covered in grace. Winter, spring, and fall, it's on you I call. You get me through it all. The only one who knows how many times I couldn't get my mind right. Oh, drowning in my tears at night. Haunted by the limelight, ooh. You are the way, the truth, the life I seek, I find. So glad I finally realized I've got a lifeline. God, you are the lifeline. God, you are the light. I'm such sun over, not like Jehovah. Rapha, Nisi, never leave me. Remember times you were my only friend. Now it's me and you, there is no end. And I'm forever your lady. I'll be forever your baby. There ain't no ifs, ands, or maybes. You are, you are, you are. You are the way, the truth, the life I seek, I find. So glad I finally realized got a lifeline. God, you are the lifeline. God, you are the lifeline.
Shawty giving Esther, but she fed up. Searching for a king to hold it down. All this time you been waiting your turn. They can never take what's yours. It's already written, baby girl, don't trip. You already know what it is. Don't rush, just be still. Gotta give it to you when it fits. Surrender your will and just ride. Love yourself in the meantime. Never feed into the lies. You know your heart desires. Shorty giving us stuff, but she fed up. Yeah. Shorty giving us stuff. Shorty giving us stuff. Shorty giving us stuff, but she fed up. Searching for a king to hold it down. All this time you been waiting your turn. They can never take what's yours. It's already written, baby girl, don't trip. You already know what it is. Don't rush, just be still. Gotta give it to you when it fits. Shorty giving Esther. Don't you let them down days fester. Don't you let your friends peer pressure. When it's their time, tell them bless up. Cause when it's yours, floodgates from heaven. I know, telling you it's coming. It's like preaching to the reverend. But somebody had to tell you. Sit back and let it settle. God pulling strings like your pedal. Believe it, that's the hardest part of receiving. It's your season, only if you need it. Shawty giving us stuff, but she fed up. Searching for a king to hold it down. All this time you been waiting your turn. They can never take what's yours. It's already written, baby girl, don't trip. You already know what it is. Don't rush, just be still. Gotta give it to you when it fits.
Guys, who are they watching? Oh, Mrs. and Mrs. Ndrili.
I'll be a living sacrifice for you. You're the fire, the refiner. I wanna be consumed. I wanna be tried by fire, purified. You take whatever you desire. Yeah.
Welcome to
So I am back Kwandebele Ngekawami, Kwakawule. Today it's a Thursday and I am going to do my nails at Wendy's. No, it's not Wendy. At Wendy's Beauty Bar. I saw this lady on the IG app, but before the IG app, I heard about her from a fellow YouTuber's vlog and the nails bigger matches, so I wanted to try them out as well. Plus, when I am the side, ngimzina angina langenza khona mazipho. So I will give my review when I am done doing my nails. So I see we're busy. We're busy.
I'll be a living sacrifice for you. You're the fire, the refiner. I wanna be consumed. I wanna be tried by fire, purified. You take what
Content, girl. You are on YouTube.
Lord, here's my life. I wanna be tried by fire, yeah, yeah. Purified. Lord, take whatever you desire, yeah. Lord, here's my life. If your glory was to come in, let it fall. We want it all. Your fire is consuming. Fill this place and set it ablaze. I'll be a living sacrifice for you. You're the fire, the refiner. I wanna be consumed. I wanna be tried by fire, yeah. Purified. Lord, take whatever you desire. Yeah. Lord, here's my life. I wanna be tried by fire, yeah, yeah. Purified. Lord, take whatever.
My plan is to put it in.
The save is here at Wendy's salon. It's so good. Like, it's crazy.
To say this. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Let it burn. Let it burn. It's gonna burn for me to say this. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Let it burn. Oh, gotta let it burn. God, you call me by my name. The love you give me, I just can't deny. Yeah. No longer blinded, I can see you. I'm on my way to meet you. We gotta talk, you know.
So guys, I am back from the salon. I did my nails. So your girl wenzile mazipho finally. So guys, before first thing first, let me give a shout out to Ulunga Monica Masimbuga. Thank you so much, Nana. Thank you so much for your plug. I love my nails. I really do love my nails. I'm in love. I'm obsessed. So yeah, and guys, I did my nails kuwandile Wendy une Facebook page and an Instagram page. So the service there is good. She is great, man. Like, she is great. Her service is the best ever, and she knows what she's doing, man. She knows what she's doing. You will never regret. So if ugandevele ngemzini ngekosini, then girl, you better get yourself a nail tech, a new nail tech around, because she is doing the things, man. I love my nails, so I'm in love with my nails. I'm giving you a plug as well. I will leave her details here so that whenever you are around and you want to do your nails, you can go to Wandile and do your nails there. So thank you so much, and Thank you so much for watching till this far, guys. We've come to the end of this vlog, and I really appreciate you all. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share with your family and friends so that we can grow. So guys, we are currently sitting on 650. I am so excited. I am so happy. Road to 1,000. Road to 1,000. So I really appreciate you because I love this number. I see that we are growing. I see the growth. So please, man, continue to support. I really appreciate your love. I really appreciate your kindness. So I hope to see you on the next one. From me to you, bye. I love you.
This moment is the day that the Lord has